We've really worked hard to adapt with our clients over time and fit those needs that they cannot normally do with their in-house staff. The business model that we have here at Infront really hasn't changed much since the first agency that I had back in the mid-90s. The problems with for business people still exist that we had back then. The technology's changed and it's become a lot more complicated for people, and there's a lot more products and services available. So what's happened is that original business model where we become the liaison for people because they get sick of being general contractors themselves, trying to manage their graphic designers, trying to manage their webmasters, trying to manage their hosting companies, their marketing companies, if they have a separate social media company, separate email company. It's very frustrating. They can't run their business anymore. They get caught or they have staff that get dedicated that aren't really good at it, at all these disciplines, and that get caught in this whirlwind trying to figure all this stuff out. So a lot of mistakes get made. So the business model that we have is that we're coming in as a consultant to provide all these services underneath one roof. The other part of our business model that is really resonated as time's gone on and as we're working with larger organizations is that the level of involvement that Infront will have can change over time, and it can change with the size of the business. So we may have a small business that has limited in-house staff to be able to handle their technology needs and their online marketing needs and even updating their websites. They may rely on our staff more and get more services from us. So we become an extension of the existing staff that an organization has. So they might hire us for pay-per-click because they don't have a good pay-per-click team in-house. They may hire us for more advanced search engine optimization type activities, or more technical web development activities or systems integration type things that they need to have done. Especially during these times, we've seen organizations, even in the short term, have to reduce staff because of economic issues with respect to the pandemic and things that are going on. We're able to, even in these situations, step in at varying levels with the organizations that we work with and fill those voids, those talent voids that they need, whether it's on a short-term or a long-term basis.